Okay, we're back in Canva, canva.com. We've created a free account and we've made a background here. And now we're going to add some text and some graphics to make an animated GIF introduction for our YouTube videos. So the first thing I'm going to do is click over here and choose text. And you can search for text. You can take a look what's there. I'm just going to go ahead and drag the heading in there. And I want that text color to be white to stand out a little bit more. I can click and drag here just like I can with most objects and make it a little larger. I can come into the text box and change the font to something a little bit different. Anything again that has this crown is part of the premium package, so it's not available for free use. So you can play around and find the font that works for you. Let's just go with this one here. And then you have all these options. I had the text color, bold, italic, justification, bullets. I like to do this one. I like to maybe put a little bit of spacing in between the letters. And we'll just go ahead and say, let's give it some meaningful term. And now I'm going to click and I'm going to just resize this again. Click and drag here. Maybe be a little bit too big. I've got an extra space in there I don't need. And now you see if I move this around, I see these purple lines that show up in the screen. And those will help me to find the middle of the page. So I'm going to put that right there. I'm actually going to go a little bit below center. Now I'm going to come up here and I'm going to look in elements and I want to find technology. So let's search for tech. And I want to search graphics. And I also want to filter. So I choose this up here for animated graphics. Apply the filters. So let's pop this guy in here. And we'll just put that there. And there we have our first slide. So now I want to put something else in there. Like I said, we're making this an animated graphic. I'm going to come down here. This is I only have one slide in here. I see the little ellipsis. If I click on that, I can duplicate this. So I'm going to have the same background. And now I'm going to just say, change this text. I'm going to do a select all. And this is just to play around. Maybe we'll put the text up there and we'll move this down here. It is good to maybe put a graphic in that when you drag a new graphic in, you maybe resize it to be similarly sized to the previous graphic. And I'll move that one over, move that one out of the way. And now we have another slide. And then I'll come back here and I'll duplicate again. And let's see, there was technology and graphics. There, this one was the one I like here. So I'm going to end on this one. Again, I'm going to move it up and make it close to the same size as the one before. Get rid of the old one. Now, obviously, you're going to put whatever text in there is more meaningful. I'm just putting some stuff in there to get started. So now we have these 3 slides that we've made, and we want to turn them into an animated GIF. We're going to come back on the next video and finish that.